looking to upgrade your golf bag today? Well, then stop by Randy's Custom Golf Clubs and Repair and check out all the new golf equipment from TaylorMade, Ping, Adams, Wilson, Cleveland, as well as a large selection of golf balls, new golf grips from Golf Pride, Wynn, and Lampkin, and many others. Or also check our used selection of golf clubs as we carry used drivers, irons, wedges, putters, and many other of your golfing needs. So stop by today at Randy's Custom Golf Clubs and Repair, 115 West Union Street in downtown Morganton.